How to change Instagram profile picture without changing your Facebook profile picture. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can change your Instagram profile picture without having to change your Facebook profile picture. So it's really simple, so let's just get into it. First, open up your Instagram and go to your profile. After that, go to the menu on the top right. Now after you're there, all you need to do is go to your account center, and right there you will see connected experiences. Now tap on sharing across profiles and tap on your Facebook. Now make sure that you've turned off your your Facebook story, your Facebook posts, and all of these, and go back and do the same for your Instagram. Now after you do so, go back, and if you want to just disconnect your Instagram and your Facebook completely, what you'll want to do is go to accounts, scroll down and go to accounts, and here all you need to do is tap on remove and just remove the account and you're good to go. So after doing this, by changing a profile picture in one of your accounts won't change it in another account. So it's that simple guys, and that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.